Hello, welcome to this new video tutorial on MS Word. In this video we will be talking about the insertion of a picture into your Word file. So here you see this is my Word file and this is my document, and I will show you that how you can insert a picture to this file. So for example, if I want to add a picture after the first paragraph over here, so click here and then go to the insert tab, and here you see the screenshot and here you see the picture. So I will add a picture from here. I can do the screenshot, but I will add a picture from here. So let me add this picture over here. So click insert. So the picture is added. Now from here you can reduce the size, smaller, and you can add it in the different way from here. So click here and you see the different option. You can this is a tight option, throw in front of the text and the bottom, and let me try the square one. You can try all of these. So this is very helpful. You can utilize all of your space with this command. So you can place this and you can move it anywhere throughout the page. So let's me add this over here. Let's try this here. So I have add this picture here, and now let's try the screenshot command. So by screen clipping. So now I just want to add the picture of this tree. So click here and this is added. Now let's me reduce the size to 2 inch. So this is added, and now again add it with the square option. So you can move this anywhere around your document. You can move this to another page as well by clicking it here and just add over here. So this was about adding the picture to your document. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.